Welcome to Komacut. We offer on-demand sheet metal fabrication for 1 to 100,000 units per order. Here's how to get an instant quote. First, log in to the Komacut website or register if you're a new user. Next, start the quotation by clicking the Instant Quote button in the top left. Upload your files by dragging them or clicking the button to browse from your computer. We accept the following types of files: STP, STEP, and SOLIDWORKS parts files. Next, enter all of the required fields needed to calculate the cost of the part. Choose things like the material, the finish, the thickness, and the grade. Our analysis engine will detect the thickness from the part drawing uploaded, but you can also change the detected thickness from the details. Once you've finished, click the Calculate This button, and you'll see the price matrix for your quote. We list the top 3 prices so it's easier for you to compare quotes. It's easy to keep re-quoting as necessary and view different options. Just change the settings and redo the calculation. The system won't keep a record of your options until you click the Save Part button. When you click the Save Part button, the part will be saved to the quote and will be displayed only. No further changes can be made. You can also save all the parts to the quote at once with the Save All button.